Man, what's good, YouTube? It's the kids happening with another video. Well, first video of the house tour journey, man. Then we got the 4-floor, 3-story townhouse, luxury shit with a city view of Houston. But we finna knock this shit out. I ain't even gonna do too much talking. Let's get straight to it, man. Alright, man. You coming in, off right here. First door we got. This shit for the cleaners and shit, I guess. But when we leave, this ain't for us. Why ain't even came to see this shit? When you first come in, we got this little hard ass paint. That shit probably ain't even picking up on the camera. This little glittery shit. Then we got the welcome sign. All that nice shit, man. Real leaves. Real grabber leaves. And you come in here, this is the first bedroom. First bedroom. This little slight shit. Don't mind the, know what I'm saying? Nigga just left that town. Get them Timbs right there. Yeah. Okay. Then this closet. Got my shit in here. First little closet to the room. Every room is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 baths. Every room got their own little bathroom and walk-in closet and shit. Then it's the bathroom right here. Little slight shit, man. Slight shit. I see the shower. Yeah. Little light shit, man. I like how they did this. This shell shit with the motherfucking plants and shit. Cotton ball. They done left ear shit for you. Plunger. Lotion. I ain't know no B&B leave you lotion, bro. Fresh out the shower. But it's black on, so you know what I'm saying? They be looking out. This ain't got no damn view, though. Right here. But it's smooth, though. You can let the light in this bitch. Peek these motherfucking curtains, though. What is this shit called? Velvet? Goddamn suede velvet. This shit raw. I ain't no cap. But it's nice little. This is the first floor. Something like come with a TV on the wall already. Oh yeah. This the garage right here. Come with a 2-car garage. Something like a little simple shit, you know what I'm saying? This. Now if you wanted to live here and you got animals, I would not recommend that shit, man. This your yard right here. Yeah. This is your yard, man. This really just for like some party shit. I never been back here. This all your dog got to use the bathroom, bro. Water hose and shit. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you about this. It's a little windy. We gonna go back in this bitch. But I do recommend getting this as an investment, though. First Airbnb investment or whatever. Very good investment in my eyes. So this the first floor. It just consists of whatever, that little storage room, first bedroom in the garage. That's the first floor. Now we going up to the second. Second floor right here. This shit a little, yeah. Get that view right there. That motherfucker so hard, bro. You got the view, but you got this big ass townhouse next to you too. They just looking in your shit. But yeah, the view. I like how she decorated this though. I ain't gonna cap with the blue and the blue, gray, gold, bronze, whatever the fuck this color is. Bronze, gold. That shit on all. They got the little welcome sign. Damn. I don't know what the fuck this is. We do not drink. We do not drink. Nice little couch. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all guess how much this shit costs, bro. All this furniture and all this. This shit look like some crazy shit. But yeah, this the kitchen slash living room. Big ass refrigerator. Eat this little shit though. That motherfucker change colors. That shit hard. But yeah, this the kitchen. What you call this shit? The dishwasher. Nice little dishwasher in this, you know what I'm saying? Sink got the, yeah, that's that shit. Say I wanna spray you with this bitch. Yeah, that's the second floor. We got 2 more to go. We're gonna go up to the third right here. But when you come up right here, this the half bath. Little simple shit. They left you with the same thing in everyone. But she did some shit with the paper towel. Like she made a bow and made it stick to the paper towel. But then you go up, 3rd floor. Get that little plant right there, man. She decorate the fuck out of this bitch. When you get up on the 3rd floor, first thing in, washer and dryer. And they left you with all this shit to wash your clothes. I don't know if they gonna charge you. If y'all want this B&B, just shit. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to this though. This motherfucker nice though. These look brand new. God, this some brand new shit. Samsung. Okay. After that, turn to the right. This how you use the light right here, bro. That bitch go dim, all type of shit in the fan. But yeah, this the I'm guessing this the master. Nice little master, got a little view too. So, you know. Nice little view. Houston, man. Then when you come over here, look at this nigga. Got his fit out. Nigga birthday, he got his birthday fit out. Get the fold. They need this from Flight Club. Yep. Flight Club. Never worn. Sheesh. I lose my voice, I was goddamn drunk. Think I almost died off that alcohol. But then you come in here, oh my Lord. Okay, you come in here, nice ass, you know, master bathroom. You get 2, what you call it, like the his and hers? You get the his and hers sinks. Nice ass tub in the middle. This nigga still ain't used this tub. I would have been got in this motherfucker. But they leave you with the same thing as the other bathrooms. Cotton pad, cotton swabs, Q-tips, soap. Then this way you actually use the motherfucking bathroom net. Same thing, air freshener, tissue. Little cool little bathroom. Then they got the walk-in shower. This some raw shit, I swear. Got the little bench for you to sit down and shit. Yeah, this is raw. And after that, walk in this motherfucker. This the walk-in closet. This would be fun to live in, but all these damn steps and shit. Yeah, they leave you with a bunch of towels and washcloths and shit. And this specific Airbnb, you can have 8 guests. Well, if y'all going to on the website, y'all see that you can have eight guests. I can come in here right quick. I'm doing my tour. Just get under that bitch, bro. Yeah. All right, this the next bedroom that's next to the master. We interrupting this man's sleep right now, but he got a little he get a little sun view of the other townhouses out here, but this one raw too. TV on the wall. This the closet, walk-in closet. Oh shit! Just get this part. Oh, it ain't over here. I ain't even know that shit go back there. Walk-in closet. Every room got their own bathroom, full bath, and walk-in closet. This the bathroom. This one got the walk-in shower as well. Nice little shit. And they all leave you with the same thing. Lotion, body wash. That say body wash? Damn. I thought they just leave you with hand soap. Damn. Okay, that's everything on the 3rd floor. And the last floor is the rooftop. That's why I say 3 stories, 4 floors, man. I couldn't live here. I feel like this would be too much exercise for my legs. Got a nice little plant right here. Couple plants over there. I don't know what that room is, but it's locked. Go ahead, might get a little windy. Plant done fell. Help that man back up. But yeah, this is the 4th floor right here. Nice little view. We got the Connect 4. You know, have fun with the guys or your kids, whoever. Then you come over here. We was playing what is it called, Jenga? We was playing Jenga last night. But everybody was toe up. Everybody was drunk and shit, so we ain't never picked that shit up. And over here we got a nice little good vibes, man. It don't work though, cause I think something happened with this bitch. Some water got in that motherfucker or something in the remote. So I don't think it's meant to be outside. Right here we got this little, what do you even call these? Where the fuck these plants come from? Yeah. Oh shit. Plants falling. But yeah, we got this, I ain't gonna lie, this shit is a vibe, bro. This the view at night. We gonna end the video off like this, a proper ending. This the view at night, man. I'm finna get a noise complaint. But yeah, this how I look at night. Nice little shit. The sign do not light up. I think it's the breaker box is off for that shit. Cause I tried to charge my phone out here, but that shit don't work. So, but yeah, this the view at night. If y'all want this B&B, comment or go to the description. I should have it tagged in the description. If not, it's cause it said no commercial photography. So just hit me up on goddamn. I don't got Instagram. I don't got Snap. I don't got Facebook. I don't got Twitter. Hit me up on motherfucking TikTok. I'm gonna leave my TikTok in the description. And y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Go follow that. I don't post myself on there though, so you gotta yeah, it's a city. It's a city page, city aesthetic page. So yeah. Y'all boy, go follow my TikTok in the description. Go hit me up if y'all want these B&Bs. This is gonna be the end. of the first YouTube video on the channel, the house tours, penthouse tours, whatever this is, townhouse tours, luxury house tours. This is gonna be the end of the first episode, first video. But yeah, we gonna end this bitch right here, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all wanna see more of this. Y'all already know. Just let me know in the comments, man. Let me know what city y'all want to see next, too. Because I plan to go penthouse out here in Houston again. Penthouse in Austin. And probably New York, Chicago. And then I'm going to be traveling, going to, like, Mexico and shit. But, yeah, this going to be the end of the video, man. Y'all know what to do.